Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
Caught in the crossfire.
To fix my motherboard, the next part is about motherboard. You have to pay attention when you are going to fix it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Kigali-Engineers-College. This is part 2 of our work. The first one, or part 1, is about computer disassembling. The second part is called computer assembling. So let's proceed quickly. Hope that you remember me well, because I'm not gonna describe many. Then let's first start with reviewing where we have to start. Here I have my screen cover and its back cover also. This is where our screen is touched or fixed. Then, in order to make our work easily, is first to put my screen, because this cable will be inserted here, means that when we don't do this first, we're gonna face some struggling after. That's why we have to fix it. And then after fixing my screen, put this where motherboard is attached, and then this is touch port, and where keyboard is around attached. Then do it really in order to make it working properly. Then this cable, please take care of it. When we are not carrying it, it can be difficult to handle this after. Then after this, I have to fix it well, like this and this. Remember that here we have screws in this holder or port. We have to fix the screws in order to make sure that our cover is fixed well. Hope that you are enjoying it, especially to those who study network. You are going to face it in studies, so please and then after that, you see that my cover is well fixed. Then what next? Next is to hold my screen, because it is not fixed. See that? Then I have to fix it. Then after fixing my screen, you see that it is well fixed, it can't leave or removed. Then I have to fix my motherboard. The next part is about motherboard. You have to pay attention when you are going to fix it. To fix its cover also, its protector. To fix it is very easier, very. See that? It is well covered. Well, then to fix my motherboard, the next part is about motherboard. You have to pay attention when you are going to fix it. one is to fix my motherboard. The next part is about motherboard. You have to pay attention when you are going to fix it. You have to pay attention about its port. And then after putting this motherboard to its position, I have to fix it well by fixing its screws. And then after that, after fixing this, I have to put my fan. You can also first connect this cable. This is screen cable. I have to connect it to its port. Then after, I have this also camera cable. I have to fix it also. And then it is done. After that, I have to put my fan. In its position, and remember to fix it. Hope that you are clearly understand it. After fixing my fan, I have to fix also my heatsink. This is used to cool my processor. You know that processor is sometimes hot, and this heatsink is used to cool it. And fix it. Also, after fixing my screws to hold my heatsink, I have first to connect my NIC. This is used to connect my computer to network. It is fixed here, and then it has two cables also, which is used to connect it, to enable it to do what it is designed to do. Then connect it well. After that, we have to fix it also. And after that, we have RAM. RAM is fixed here. This my RAM is 8 GB DDR3. We will run it and position please in order to make it. Then after that, we have to connect also our speakers. It is also fixed here, and remember to connect it. It's put the next one. My computer have two speakers, and then connect it. Awesome. Then the remaining one is my CMOS. CMOS is fixed here also. Then you have to fix it, because remember that when the computer have no CMOS, it can't work. So then My computer is well fixed, nothing can be removed. Then I have put its cover. Let's do it quickly. See that? Let's fix it. Then my battery is here and screws. Just let me fix it quickly. Then after this, I have to fix also my battery. And it is well fixed. After that, I have to fix my cover also. Fix this. After this, we have, remember please to fix all well, and then after that we have our keyboard. Remember that we are not yet connecting it. Then let's first we have its bus, carry the data after connecting it. See that my keyboard is well fixed. Then hope that we are enjoying it. This is the end, and you see work on computer then assembler. Then thank you so much. Your shares, comment is very helpful. Then let's meet again in next